Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. My name is Nenye. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nenye, Anambra State, Nigeria. So today is going to be a long time no food post. It's been a long time which I uploaded my food cooking videos and all. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my delicious vegetable soup. You all know that there are different ways to make vegetable soup. There's one you can make with water leaf. There's one you can make, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my own vegetable soup. And this vegetable soup, you can use achi, you can use ede, you can use quick and oat as your thickener. So there are so many ways of making vegetable soup, but that depends on how you like yours. For people like me that doesn't like water leaf, so you guys should stick around with this my own method. So you guys should stay tuned as we get started. So guys, these are some of the ingredients for making the vegetable soup. This is our crayfish, pepper, achi, which will serve as a thickener to the soup, our red meat, our assorted meat, red oil, our ugu leaf or pumpkin leaf, onion, dry fish, our stockfish, and iru. So guys, let's begin. So guys, for this particular recipe, I'm going to be using achi or Brachystegia eurocoma. You guys should pardon my pronunciation. So I'm going to be using achi for this particular recipe. Initially, you guys saw how the achi looks like when it was dry before it was soaked in water, which I did soak for about 2 hours before washing it out. The essence of soaking this achi into water is to make it very easy for washing or peeling of the bark. So this is how the achi looks like when it has undergone so many processes of soaking and washing. And yeah, next is for me to start pounding the achi. Here, there are different ways to make your achi to come out in powdered form. You can pound the way I am doing. You can use your blender. You can use your grinder. Whichever one you are using, the end point is for it to come out in powdery form. So guys, this is where the actual cooking begins. Firstly, I'm going to be steaming my red meat with the stock fish and with my halfway cooked shake and pomo. I'm going to be adding some salt and some seasoning cubes to the meat before steaming, after which I'm going to allow it steam for at least 10 minutes before adding more water. And yeah, this is the part I like so much. I like to steam my meat, reason being that I like the taste to get into the meat before using it for the actual cooking. After adding some water to the meat, I'm going to allow it cook till it gets tender. Here, I added the already blended pepper, crayfish, onions, iru or ogiri mixture into the meat and gave it a good stir. While my soup is on fire, I'm going to be chopping the neatly washed green leafy ugu vegetables and set it aside for use. For this particular recipe, I'm going to be using plenty of the green leafy ugu vegetables. So then I'm going to be adding the blended, pounded or grinded achi into the red oil, after which I'm going to mix it thoroughly before adding it into the soup. And yeah guys, there are so many ways you can add achi into the soup. You can do it the way I did, or you can also add the red oil first. After cooking the red oil for about 10 minutes, then next you add your achi into it and give it a stir. Now the soup is now looking so colorful. I'm going to be adding the remaining blended pepper, onions, crayfish or iru mixture into the soup. Wow! Ofe m na-asụzikwa no poto poto. If you are in a place where achi is not within your reach, at this point you can go ahead with your blended or grinded Quaker oat or ede, which will serve as also as a thickener to the soup. And there, my soup is gradually thickening. At this point, I've gotten the consistency that I need. Next, I'm going to scoop out some soup from the pot as we normally do and set it aside for next use, after which I'm going to go in with the vegetables. And yeah, it's time for me to add the ugu leaf into the soup. I'm going to be adding all the vegetables because this is a vegetable soup, so I'm going to be adding all of them. And yeah, if you've not watched my other food or soup videos, please you can go ahead and do so. You can check out my egusi or bono okra soup, my ofo, my bitter leaf soup, ora soup, and so many of them. Finally, my soup is ready. Let me know what can go with this soup. Is it fufu, cassava flour, gari, oatmeal, or semovita? Just let me know what you think. So guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave some comments in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.